Horses are beginning nicely at the start. Consolidator, Danorians at his market value. Big Daddy's Dream is racing in third. Immaculate in fourth. Dancing Storms, Money Queen, Love Story, and Len is the early trailer. Into the turn they gallop. We have Consolidator goes on by about 2 lengths. Big Daddy's Dream now right behind in second. Dropping back in third is market value. And 4 lengths for the back in fourth. Immaculate, Donor inside, Dancing Storms, Money Queen, and a long way back to Love Story and Len who trails the field. Meanwhile, now we have Big Daddy's Dream takes the lead. Donor inside, second is Consolidator. 7 lengths in third. Immaculate, Dancing Storms is Donor inside fourth. Money Queen now in fifth. Then comes Market Value. Big Daddy's Dream by about 5 lengths now. Consolidator in second, and in third now is Immaculate. Donor inside is Dancing Storms with Big Daddy's Dream now racing away by about 6 lengths. Consolidator, Immaculate, Dancing Storms, but it's still Big Daddy's Dream by about 7 lengths over Immaculate. Money Queen on the outside, and hitting the finish line it's all number 6, Big Daddy's Dream. Second is Money Queen, Market Value, Len, Immaculate, Dancing Storms, Consolidator, and Love Story.